let's talk about the on-balance volume, or as it's commonly known, the OBV. A very popular indicator, a very used indicator that helps with different conditions on the market. It helps to spot divergences, and when the market deviates from the mathematics of it, from the recent moves, spot early reversals. It also helps to spot trend confirmations like with breakouts, and also help to tie the price movement to the indicators, the mathematics behind the price. As long as it is lined up, it is in healthy conditions, and when soon as it deviates, something is happening and you need to pay attention to it. So first of all, where do you find this one? Under the indicator section, go to the volume and on balance volume, and you can play with the all the available data here. By default, it comes with the application to the close price without any shift. You can choose the style and the thickness of the line, visibility, or what time frames and chart type you would like to see that, and add levels. And by default, this is how it looks like. The idea is super simple. When the OBV, the volume, on balance volume indicator, rises and the price rises, we are in bullish trend. When the price goes down and the OBV, the on balance volume indicator, goes down, we are in a bearish trend or in a bearish momentum in the market. The idea is super simple. Price is rising, OBV is rising, the buyers are in control. Very likely the bullish momentum is here to stay, to continue. The OBV is falling down, the price is falling down, you have it lined up, very likely the sellers are in control. And a very common use of the a little bit more advanced approach here, but is when the market is going up, let's see an example, and making the sequence of higher highs, higher lows, but the volume, OBV, the on-balance volume, makes lower highs. That indicates that something is happening. The buyers are getting weaker. The volume there is shrinking, is decreasing, and very likely it indicates that a reversal is building up. And to summarize, the OBV indicator is a simply fantastic, useful, reliable way to match, to tie the price action to what happens behind the scenes, the mathematics behind the price. And as soon as it is matched, as soon as it's there, it gives great indication if the big buyers, big sellers are in the game, are entering the market or leaving the market, and gives you chances to spot better trading opportunities.